Hello everyone, welcome to Eazy-Tech Solutions. My name is Michael. So in this video I'm dropped today, I'll be showing you how to develop an ICO token launching website. Okay, so if you are familiar with tokens, you should be able to understand how websites like this work. But for the sake of those who don't know much about tokens, so I will take my time to explain the best way I can. So in the cryptocurrency world, a lot of people have made a lot of money through tokens. Someone can buy a token for let's say $100 and later sell for $5,000 to $10,000 within few weeks or months. Okay, so this is something that is very possible when it comes to token. All right, so there are lots of token out there and people are making mad money from it. So I know this the most popular one, the recent one, which is the coin. All right, so that's an example of token. So in this video I will show you how to create your own token and people will start buying it. All right, so that's the purpose of this particular website we'll be creating today. So as you can see right here on your screen, this is an ICO launching website. So you see everything is looking awesome. The interface is looking so beautiful. You see ICO solution phase for your business, the main advantage of, so you can change every write-up you are seeing here from the admin dashboard. Okay, you can change everything, you can change the write-up and all. So okay, let me just show you this part. You see running first phase, grab your token before price go up. Okay, so you see this particular token is running for 98 days, 8 hours, 2 minutes, then this is the seconds, and current price is 5 USD. All right, so they are selling this particular token for 5 USD per one. Okay, so to buy this token, all you need to do is to click on buy token now. Okay, so you have to create account if you don't have an account yet. All right, so but before we log into the account I've created already, so let's just go through the various pages on this particular website. So as you can see here, we have a blog. Okay, so we have blog here, so you're able to change the kind of blog information, the kind of news you want to appear in this particular blog section from the admin dashboard. All right, so we have the about us. Okay, so you have to write few information about your token, about your token. All right, so we have which other one? Okay, we have the white paper. So I will show you how to upload the white paper from the admin dashboard. Then we have the contact us. So this is a very simple but powerful website. So I will try my best to make sure I explain everything about the website without leaving no stone unturned. All right, so you can change the email, the phone number, and the address from the admin dashboard. Okay, so let's log into the account I've created. So to log in, so this is the information. I saved the information already, so I just need to click on login so that we see how the user dashboard looks. Okay, so this is the user dashboard. Okay, so we have dashboard, we have a deposit. Under deposit, we have deposit now, we have a deposit history, then we have withdraw now, withdraw history, then coin history, auction. So in this particular website, users can auction their coin. Let's say they are already purchased your token, so they want to resell, they want to auction it, so user can auction their coin on their dashboard, so other user will be able to buy from them. Okay, so then we have under auction we have offering auctions, my auction, create auction, purchase history. Then we have a support, we have an open ticket, my support ticket. Then we have the accounts. Under accounts we have profile, 2FA, security, change password, transaction, refer users, commission log, and then logout. Okay, so this is the main user dashboard. Okay, from this particular section you see stage 1. So this particular coin is on stage 1. All right, you can see here we have a buy coin. You can also buy coin here. Once you click on buy coin, it will direct you to this particular section. Say your enter your quantity to purchase. All right, so we have a first stage, then price $5 USD, which is 1 DC. So you're able to name your token or whichever name you want. So this particular one is DC, so you can name it any name you like. Okay, then we have an available quantity. So this is the available quantity we have available for this particular account. So I will show you how to make all these changes from the admin dashboard. Okay, let's say for example you want to purchase let's say you want to purchase 10 coin, 10 DC. So 10 DC now you'll be charging, you have to pay 50 USD for 10 DC. All right, so 1 DC is $5. So to buy, you have to click on buy now. But mind you, before you can buy any coin, you have to first of all deposit money on your account. So I'm having 6,000 USD on this particular account now. So I'm having 5,000 plus DC as my coin balance. Then I've done total transaction 7, coin history, total deposit, total withdrawal. Okay, so this is my recent transaction. So I'm having 6,000 USD on this particular account. So that's why I was able to purchase token. So mind you, if you don't have any balance here, so you have to first of all deposit. Okay, once you deposit, so you're able to purchase token. So to deposit, before we deposit, let's just purchase 10 DC now. So let's say I'm purchasing 10 DC. Then click on buy now. Yes. Okay, so say 10 DC successfully purchased. All right, so you can see the transaction history here also. Where is it? Okay, 10 DC rate, which is 5 USD. Then the amount we paid is 50 USD. Okay, so that's it. So if you want to deposit, let's say you want to deposit money on your account, you have to click on deposit now. So from deposit now, you have to select the particular deposit. I only added Bitcoin payments, so that's why you are seeing Bitcoin. You can add multiple payment methods from the admin dashboard. So I've only activated Bitcoin payments. That's why you see all the Bitcoin payments showing. Let's say we want to deposit, and let's say let's say $10,000. Okay, so this is the conversion rates. 1 USD is equals to, so you're able to set that from the admin dashboard. So click on submit. Okay, so once you submit, so you say you have to request, you have requested 10,000 USD. Please pay 0.70 BTC for successful payment. Please follow the instruction below. Okay, so Bitcoin deposit. So this is the Bitcoin wallet address, and this is the Bitcoin QR code. So after user have made the deposit, have sent the payment to the wallet address, then you have to click on pay now. So the admin will have to confirm that particular deposit. So as you can see, the deposit is showing pending. All right, so after the user have approved the deposit, that's why it will show approved, and the deposit will appear on the user account. Okay, so that's it. So let's head over to the admin dashboard. Let's see how the admin dashboard works. So to do that, so this is so all I need to do to access the admin is to type my username and the password. All right, so I'll click on login. Okay, so this is the admin dashboard. So I'll be taking my time to explain most of the important features which you need to know on this particular session. All right, so as you can see, we have Okay, this is the main dashboard. We have manage ICO, then we have a white paper. All right, so if you are familiar with token, so you know that white paper is very important, because the white paper of a particular token will contain a detailed explanation about that particular token. Everything you need to know about that token will be on that white paper. So I'll be showing you how to create white paper using Chat GPT. All right, so and then over here we have manage users, we have a payment gateway, we have deposit, withdrawals, support tickets, reports, subscribers. Under settings, we have general settings, system settings, referral settings, logo and favorite icon. Then we have okay, which other one? For the purpose of this particular video, I don't want to take much of your time, so I'll be explaining the basic aspect of this particular dashboard, so the important ones. So let's go to general settings first. All right, so from general settings, so this is where you're able to name your site title. So this particular one we call it ICO lab, so you can change your site title here. Then you can change your site currency, so we are using USD here, so you can change the site currency, then the site symbol. Then over here you're able to change your coin name. All right, so we are using the ROC over here, so you can change your coin name to your the particular name you want to use for your token. All right, then the symbol, so you're able to put the symbol, the token symbol here. All right, so that's the time zone. They're able to change the site base color, then the site and secondary color. All right, so one thing you need to know about this particular section is that you can change your coin name here, then you can change your coin symbol here also. All right, so that's it. Then this particular section that say then manage ICO, so this is where you're able to place your current coin on let's say you are launching a particular coin now, so this is where you're able to add the coin, so that it will be showing like this on the user dashboard on the front end of the website, something like this. Okay, you see this particular running first and face, grab your token before price go up. All right, so this particular coin is currently running for 96 days, 11 hours and so on. So this is where you're able to create something like this. Yeah, something like this from this particular session. Okay, let's say you are running a new coin, so you're able to create add a coin over here, and your user will be able to purchase that particular coin. All right, so after creation, once you want to create, okay, let me just click on add new here. So you are going to put the starting date, then and the ending date, then you put the coin token, all right, total quantity of sales. So you are seeing this particular one now. Okay, let me log in so that I will show you what I'm trying to explain there, because it's kind of confusing. Okay, let's say buy token. Okay, so this is the available quantity of sales. So you have to put the total amount of the token that will be available for sale. All right, so that's what this particular section is talking about. Then the token price. All right, the price for one token. So you have to put it here. That is, you have to place the price here in dollar. All right, so let's say for example now you are selling your coin for, let's say $2. Then let's say coin token total quantity for sale, let's say 1 million. All right, then the dates, let's say this particular coin will be running for okay, 7 of, let's say, okay, let's say 31st, and then click on submit. Change the limit schedule because ICO phase is already existing. So I'm running this particular token already. This particular token is currently running, so I cannot add another one since this one has not finished running. All right, so you can only pre-launch one particular token at a time, so you can't launch 2 tokens. So until this one finishes running before you're able to pre-launch another token. So then over here we have the white paper. So all you need to do after creating your white paper, you have to save your white paper in a PDF format. So all you need to do is to upload over here. So to create your white paper, all you need to do is to go over to ChatGPT. Okay, so let's do something. All right, so you can just come over to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to generate a white paper for you for your token. So ChatGPT will do everything, and then everything you need to know, everything that your visitors need to know about that particular coin. ChatGPT will generate it for you. All right, all you need to do is to copy the information and go over to the information and edit. So after editing, you save it as a PDF format. All right, so once you save, you can come over here and upload. All right, so click on upload, then select file. Okay, so this is it over here. You just need to click on it and open. So I click on submit. All right, white paper stored successfully. So we have successfully added the white paper. So that's how to add white paper. Then over here we have manage users. So you're able to see all registered users over here, active users, banned users, email unverified, mobile unverified, KYC, and so on and so forth. Okay, so in this particular session, you're able to add payment gateway. All right, we have two types of payment gateway you can add here. We have the automatic gateway, then we have the manual gateway. So if you want to activate automatic gateway, so there are various automatic gateway over. We have a Perfect Money, we have Paystack, we have a Paper Express, Paper. So you can activate whichever one you want to use from this particular session, or if you want to add a manual gateway, so you can do that here. So I'm currently using Bitcoin payment. So Bitcoin payment is the only payment available on this particular website right now. So you can add new payment gateway here. So you just need to put the gateway name, the currency, rate per dollar, minimum amount, fees charge, maximum amount, percentage charge, and so on. So you have to put the instruction on how your user will be able to deposit money to this particular gateway. That's how simple it is. Okay, then over here we have the deposits. Over here you're able to approve user deposits. Once user make a particular deposit, so it will show up in this particular section. All you need to do is to click on details, then approve. Okay, so once you approve, that particular deposit will show up in the user's account dashboard. All right, then here we have okay, successful deposits, we have rejected deposits, initiated deposit, all deposit. Okay, then we have withdrawal. We have withdrawal over here. So if a user is trying to place a withdrawal from his or her account, so it will show up in this particular section. So you're able to approve or decline such withdrawal. All right, so we have pending withdrawal, approved withdrawal, rejected withdrawal, or withdrawal. Right, so that's for that. Then we have this particular section that say then support tickets. All right, we have a pending support ticket, close support tickets. So let's say a user is having issue with his or her account, so we want to contact the admin of the website, so we're able to place support ticket over here. So let's just do something like that, and then just place support ticket. Okay, let's say open ticket. Okay, we have a name, email address, subjects, deposit, okay, the priority high, let's say, okay, so let's say the ticket is I want to like send to the admin. All right, so click on if you have any attachments, maybe you want to add screenshots of the problem, so you can add it over here, or if you don't, just click on submit. Okay, so that's it. We have submitted the tickets. So let's go over to the admin and see. Okay, let's click on support ticket again. Or let me just refresh the page. Okay, so you see we're having pending ticket over here. It's showing over here. So let's open. Okay, so you see the message, I'm having issue depositing money on my account. All right, so the admin can reply to such ticket here. You say okay, we are currently okay. So let's do something like this, then click on reply. So let's go over to the user dashboard now again. Okay, so this is the admin response, this is the user response. All right, so that's how the support ticket work. Then over here we have okay, let's go to the okay, I've already talked about the general settings. Then okay, if you want to change logo for your website, if you want to change the logo, okay, if you want to change this logo and the fave icon, so you can do that here. All you need to do is to change those images you are seeing here. All right, then we have which other one? Okay, we have the manage pages. All right, so if you want to change the write-up, okay, let's say you want to edit the information you are seeing on the screen right now, those write-up, those contents. So let's say you want to change this, you want to change this, you want to change this. You can change everything to suit what you are currently working on, to suit your token information. All right, so you can change it. So you can make changes to the write-ups here, and then you can save. After editing, you save, and everything will show up as you want. All right, so everything will show up fine and good. Okay, so that's for that. Then another thing is that okay, if you want to like set up your email settings, so you can go over to notification setting. Under notification setting, you go to email setting and you select SMTP. From SMTP you put your that's your host, your ports, then the encryption and so on, so and click on save. So the website will automatically send an email notification to users. So that's basically everything you need to know about this particular website. So in the next section of this video, I will show you how to set up this particular script. In case you need the script, you can contact me with the number showing on your screen, or you can use the link in the description of the video to get this script. Okay, so the next section of the video, I will show you how to set up this particular website on your hosting server with just few easy steps. All right, so you don't need to know any coding or programming to be able to do something like this. So I will show you everything you need to know, everything you need to get to be able to build website as awesome like this. All right, so if today is your first time of coming across our video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the notification bell, so that each time we drop awesome video like this, you will get notifications. All right, so thank you very much and God bless you. Hello everyone, welcome to the second session of this video. So in this particular session, I'll be showing you how to set up the ICO launching website. All right, so I'll be showing you everything you need to know on how to set up the website. Okay, so as you might know already, the first thing you need to get when you want to make your website appear online is that you need to first of all purchase your domain name and hosting. Okay, so as you are seeing right now on your screen, I'm currently on my hosting dashboard. All right, so if you want to purchase hosting, you can check the description of this video. There's a link where you can get your hosting there, or you can also use either hosting here or Namecheap to purchase your hosting. But I highly recommend you use this particular hosting I'm using. They offer best and awesome services. Okay, so visit the link on this description of the video to get the hosting. Okay, this particular hosting I'm using. So once you have your hosting and you have your hosting details, like the hosting logins, you're able to access something like this. So you're able to access your hosting dashboard. All right, so once you are here, so the next thing you need to do is that you need to locate and click on file manager. click File Manager. Okay, so if you want to upload your website in the main domain name of your hosting, so you have to locate this public_HTML, right? So I'm going to upload the script over here. So let me just delete those files that are here already. So I'll just delete. Alright, so this is where we are going to upload the ICO launches script. Okay, so this is the website currently. Let me refresh. Alright, this is the website. So as you can see, this website is currently empty. So all we need to do right now is to upload the file. Okay, so this is the file. This is the ICO script. So I just need to drag. I need to drag the file like this and drop over here. Okay, so it will take a while to upload, so you just have to be patient till this particular loading color change to green. So once it changes to green, you will know that it is complete, and it will also show 100%. Okay, so I need to pause this video right now so that it won't take much of our time. Okay, so you can see right now the uploading is complete. It's showing 100% and it's showing green. All right, so all we need to do right now is to click on this particular section to go back. All right, so we have to unzip this file. So right click, then click on extract, and click extract files. Okay, so that's it. Click on close. So I can delete this particular one now. Delete, confirm. All right, so this is the files inside the script we just uploaded. So after extracting the file, so you get something like this on your cPanel. All right, so the next thing we need to do right now is to visit our website. Let's reload this page. Okay, so we see something like this, 500 server error. All right, so don't panic. So all you need to do is to click on your domain, then click /install. Okay, something like this. You click enter. All right, so you'll be directed to this particular installation page. All right, so all you need to do is that you need to click on I agree, next step. All right, so I agree, next step. So click on this particular section. So these are requirements. Okay, so as you can see right now, it said core bootstrap cache is required 0775 permission. Current permission is 0755. Okay, so this particular folder require 0775 permission, and the current permission is 055. Okay, so all we need to do now is to go back to our file manager and grant this particular folder 0775 permission. So to do that, I will come over here. Okay, so let's locate say core bootstrap and catch. All right, so I'll come over here like this. This is its core. I'll open this folder, bootstrap. I'll open the folder, and then this is the particular folder that require 0775 permission. So I'll right click, then click on change permissions. All right, so I'll have to click. So as you can see right now, the permission is 055. So but the requirement is 0775. So all I need to do is to click on this particular section to make it 775. Okay, so I'll click on change permission. So that's for that. Then I'll come over here again, say core storage require 0775 permission, which is core storage require 0775 permission. Current permission is 0755. So I'll go back again. I'll come over here. Okay, let me just go back to okay. It said core storage. Okay, storage. I have core. Then we have storage. Okay, so this storage, I'll right click, then change permission to 0775. So this is it. I'll click on changes. Okay, so that's it. Then this other section also is a core storage app. Okay, it requires 0775. So I'll come over here now. So I'll open this particular storage now. Then this is app. I will right click, change permission, make it 775, then change permission. Okay, so that's for that. Then over here also we have core storage, then framework. So which is this one requires 0775 also. We have a change permission. Then we have 775 change permission. Okay, so which other one again? This one called storage logs. Okay, so this one requires the same permission also, which is this. Right click, change permission, click here. Okay, so that's it. So I think that's all for now. So after you have granted all those folders 0775 permission, so all you need to do is to click on this particular section is a recheck. Okay, so you have to recheck. Okay, so requirement check passed. All right, so you see that we have successfully passed that particular stage. So the next thing we need to do is to click on next step. Okay, so that's for that. So once you click on next step, you'll be directed to this particular session. So here you will require to create a database for your website. All right, so you create database. So you have to paste your database name here, the database host, then the database username, then the database password. Then over here you have to put your admin credentials. Okay, so let's do that right now. Let's go and let's create our database. So I will come here. So I will locate where is it? I think I've passed it. Okay, so I'll come here, I'll click on database wizard. So I'll click on database wizard. I'll name our database, let's say new ICO. Okay, so I'll copy this particular name. Okay, so I'll paste it here as our database name, also as our database username. Then I'll type our password. Okay, so I will generate password. Let me just generate password. So I'll copy this particular password. Okay, I'll click here. I have copied this password in a safe place. So let me go and let me paste this particular password here. So this is our password. Then I'll click on create. Okay, so the next thing I need to do is that I will need to copy this particular database name and the database username. So I'll paste somewhere like this. All right, so I will click on all privileges over here. So it's very important to do that. Click on all privileges, then click on make changes. Okay, so that's it. We have successfully created our database name and then our database username. So we'll go back to the site configurations. So database details. So I will come over here. I'll copy our database name. Okay, so I'll paste our database name here. Then the database host is localhost. So type localhost here. Okay, so you type localhost here. Then our database username, so it's same thing as our database name. So I'll paste it here. Then I'll come over here and copy the database password, something like this. All right, so that's it. We have successfully created and we have successfully set up the database detail. Let's say our username. So I'll name our username admin. So the password I will use admin 123 as our password. Then email address. Okay, so we have to go over to our cPanel now and create email address. So to create email address, so I'll click on return home. Okay, so once you return home, you click on email account. So from email account, I will click on create. All right, so I will name. Okay, let me just name this this email. So I will name it admin. Okay, so I'll call it admin. Then I'll come over here and let me just generate password. So, or I can use the same password as the. Okay, let me just use this password. All right, so I'll come over here and create. Okay, so this is the email address. This is the email we just created. So I'll copy. Then I'll come over here and paste. All right, so this is our site email. All right, we have added our site email, username, the password. So after you have set up everything like this, then you click on install now. Okay, so you can see result, your system has been installed successfully. Okay, and valid license. Okay, so all you need to do right now is that say, okay, please delete the install folder for the from the server. Okay, so that's it. So we have to go back to the file manager, then click on public underscore HTML. So we have to delete this particular folder. So after installing the script, so you have to delete the install folder. Okay, so now let's clear this particular section. Let's view our site. Awesome. So as you can see, our site is up and running now. So with just few steps, we have been able to create and set up this particular website. All right, so to log in the admin now, so let me just copy it here. I'll do something like this. So /admin, enter. Okay, so I'll put our admin username, which is admin, then the admin password. So I'll enter. Awesome. So that's it. That's how easy it is to create this particular ICO launching website. So thank you very much for watching my video. If you need this particular script, so you can contact me with the number shown on your screen, or you can check the description of this video. There is a link over there that you can use to purchase the script. And if today is your first time of coming across our videos on YouTube, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the notification bell. Thank you very much. God bless you.